Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Conversation AI workflow to book appointments in Gohighlevel. This powerful automation will help you streamline your appointment booking process by letting AI handle customer conversations and automatically update appointment statuses based on the outcome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to gohighlevel.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all of Gohighlevel's features. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on Automations. This is where you'll build and manage all your automated workflows, including the appointment booking bot we're setting up today. Once you're in the Automation section, look to the top right corner of your screen and click Create Workflow. This will open up options for building your new automation. From the options that appear, click Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to create a custom workflow tailored specifically for appointment booking. With your blank workflow open, the first thing you need to do is set up a trigger. Click Add New Trigger. This trigger determines when your automation will activate. In the search field that appears, type Customer Replied and click on it from the results. This trigger will activate whenever a customer responds to a message, which is perfect for starting a conversation about booking appointments. After selecting it, click Save Trigger to confirm your choice. Now it's time to add the AI bot that will handle the actual conversation. Click the plus icon to add an action. In the search field, type Appointment Booking Conversation AI Bot and click it when it appears. This is the core component that will interact with your customers and guide them through the booking process. Here's where you'll configure the bot's settings. First, click the Calendar field and select which calendar you want appointments to be booked into. This ensures all appointments go to the right place. Next, you'll need to input a timeout value. This determines how long the bot will wait for a customer response before ending the conversation. After entering the value, select a timeout unit, whether that's minutes, hours, or another increment. Then click Channel and select which communication channel the bot should use, such as SMS or email. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save Action. Now let's handle what happens when the conversation times out. Click the plus icon under Timeout. Search for Delete Contact and click it. This action removes the contact from your system if they don't respond within the timeout period, keeping your database clean. Click Save Action to confirm. Next, we'll set up what happens when an appointment is successfully booked. Click the plus icon under Appointment Was Booked. Search for Update Appointment Status and click it. From the drop-down menu on Status, select Confirmed. This automatically marks the appointment as confirmed in your system. Click Save Action. Finally, we need to handle situations where the customer doesn't book an appointment. Click the plus icon under Appointment Not Booked. Again, search for Update Appointment Status and click it. This time from the Status dropdown, select Cancelled. This keeps your calendar accurate by marking these as cancelled. Click Save Action to finish. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Conversation AI workflow that automatically handles appointment booking conversations, updates statuses, and keeps your system organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.